Hey y'all, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and today I wanted to come on here real quick because I wanted to show you a quick stole that I'm making for one of my clients for her son's graduation. And I'm going ahead and print it out in ET8550, and I'm just going to be adding it to the stole. So I just wanted you to see the process that I'm using. I'm going to show you the design that I made, and then we're going to go ahead over to my heat press and we're going to press it. All right, so as you see, what I'm doing is just laying the stole down on top of the design that I made. And what you're going to see me do is just go ahead and tape it. I just went ahead and taped mine in different places here just to hold it down. I wanted to make sure that it's held down pretty good, but just make sure you tape it so that it can be held down when you get ready to put up on the heat press. Alright, y'all, so here is the stole after I have finished it. It is absolutely gorgeous. The colors are popping. I absolutely love it. So I will be giving this to my client for her son's graduation. He is graduate from pre-K. So cute. So if y'all want your graduation stole, make sure you go over to my website at IeashaDesignedIt.com and go ahead and grab it. Alright, see y'all in my next video. Peace.